Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna be finally decorating for fall. I am so excited to share my fall decor with you. So let's jump right into today's video. This year we're decorating for fall on a budget, and a lot of the items that I'm using are gonna be things that I already had from previous years, and also a few new things. Like, I feel like changing your pillow covers is always a must during any season. It's just gonna give your space a brand new look, and it's a more affordable approach, than buying all these pillows. After cleaning the house, I had the hubby switch all my window treatments because fall is coming and we need a little bit more warmth into this space. So I got rid of my white ones, and here he is being a little helper. I really appreciate his help. He just got home from the gym, so I was like, hey, can you do this? And that's not only it, he also had to steam all of them. So thank you, hubby, if you're watching this. It's time to decorate. I'm going to start off with the entryway, and here I'm using pieces that I have used in previous year in other areas, so I'm just bringing it to the entryway now. I feel like by moving things around, you guys, you could also save money in your home and play with what you have. You don't always have to go out and buy new things. Just shop your home. And I always say this. And that's exactly what I did to create this entryway here. Nothing, honestly, it's new, but the basket. I needed a catch me all little basket, and I got this one at Ross for $10.99. Moving into the main living room, I switched all the pillow covers, and you guys, this gives the sofa a brand new look, and it looks like you just bought something new, but in all honesty, you just changed your pillow covers. I am telling you that is 8 months on my list. And those pillow covers that you see there are from Amazon. Check the description box because I'm going to be linking all the items that I use in today's video, and these ones are from H&M Home. And to finish the sofa, I added this beautiful little pumpkins here. It's like a little pumpkin pillow as well, and they look perfect in this area. Now for the main coffee table, I honestly didn't really move a lot of things. I just moved the flower arrangement, and I added these two vases that I got at Home Goods and the fall stems that I got last year at Target. I don't know if you remember, I think I had them on the entryway last year. Well, this year they're in the main living room, and it looks totally different in a new base. And more pumpkin pillows because it is pumpkin season, you guys. The pumpkins are out. Know me, you know I love giving the guest bathroom always a little touch of any season. So for fall, we kept it simple. I got this kitchen towels that I'm using it in here, and also this cute little arrangement that I used last year on my kitchen. I'm using it this year in the bathroom. And hey, a little candle here with some matches. So when people use the toilet, they could light up a candle. Dining room, I got this beautiful neutral garland from Michaels, and I'm just gonna lay it on the dining table and then add my glass candle holders to this area to create a centerpiece. Then I added my battery operated candles that they look so realistic. You guys are so pretty, and the best part is that you can control them with a remote control. So here it is. Look at this, how pretty. I love how this turned out. It looks so nice at nighttime, you guys. Now for the bar, of course, I have to bring out my pumpkin dispenser that I got last year from Target with the little cups as well. I added a little tray here to give it a little bit of height. and I'm putting two candle holders, and that's pretty much it for the bar cart. Let's bring some fall vibes to the kitchen area. For the bar area here, I'm keeping things very simple. I'm just adding this beautiful pumpkin cutting board that I got, and also my bar utensils. And here I'm gonna put my little fall mugs, which are little pumpkin mugs that I got at Target. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and add a little something something to this area. I got this beautiful amber like color glass pumpkins at Marshall's, and I wanted to display them right here. I think they're so pretty. You guys, I needed some canister for my sugar and coffee finally, because these ones have seen better days. They're so old already. And I found the cutest one and so affordable on Marshall's. The coffee one was $6.99 and the sugar one was like $5.99. So winning over here. And so I pre-washed these canisters and let them air dry. Make sure you let them dry good because you're going to be putting sugar and coffee and you don't want anything to get moldy in there. I got this cute little sign. I don't remember where, but probably Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I'm gonna put it right here. And for the kitchen area here around the stove, we're gonna keep it simple. I love how clean everything looks right now because I just cleaned the house. So I'm just gonna add my little pumpkin cutting board to this area. This one is from previous years, and my new pepper and salt little grinders that I got at Target this year. They're so cute and affordable. I will link them down below as well. I love how this little corner turned out here. I am putting these flowers for now, but I think I'm gonna switch them to like fall branches eventually, but I think it looks so cute for now. And here I'm just gonna put my little kitchen towels that I picked up. Remember that I showed you this in the bathroom? So here it is. And I'm gonna add the same base that I had been using for a while now with a little pumpkin candle here, and I just switched the stems. So for the family room here, I didn't want to go too crazy. I brought down the lamp into this area from Jaden's room. I also switched all the pillow covers in here. And you guys, we're thinking of either getting a new sectional or making this area the dining room and just having one living room space. Let us know down in the comments what we should do to this area, if we should keep it as a little TV area or put the dining room in this area and just have one main living room. So yeah, that's why I didn't go crazy in this area, but look how cute these little pillows are. That's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video gives you some inspiration for your fall decor, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.